Hey everyone. So, are your Dropbox files not updating? Maybe you edited a file, but the changes aren't showing, or new files aren't appearing on other devices. Yeah, that can be super frustrating when you rely on Dropbox to keep your work in sync. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix Dropbox files not updating in 2026, and most of these steps take just a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dropbox needs a reliable connection to sync changes across devices, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network. Next, restart the Dropbox app. Close it completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This often resolves temporary syncing issues. Make sure the files you want updated are actually inside your Dropbox folder. Files outside the Dropbox folder won't sync automatically. Sometimes Dropbox creates conflicting copies if the same file is edited on multiple devices. Check for files with conflicted copy in the name and merge changes if necessary. You can try pausing and resuming syncing. Click the Dropbox icon, select Pause Syncing, wait a few seconds, then choose Resume Syncing. This often triggers stuck updates. If your files still aren't updating, reinstall Dropbox. Uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually fixes persistent syncing problems, and that's it. Most Dropbox file update issues can be fixed by checking your connection, ensuring files are in the Dropbox folder, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone!